Hi guys, this is our video when we went to eat all-you-can restaurant. Nathan promised me to go to a restaurant that I like, and I picked this one. Yung una pa naming pinuntahan, hindi pala yun yung restaurant na may buffet. Akala namin ito na yun. So pagpasok namin, sabi ng girl dun sa front desk, we have to go to other place.
Oh, where's that?
That one's just like 2 minutes down. Do you know where the first Campbell drive-through is?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're just behind it.
Oh, down there.
Yeah.
Geez, thanks for that.
No worries.
That's fine. So we went all back to the car and we drove to the other restaurant. Luckily, malapit lang siya, so we don't have to drive that far. Actually, the Google telling us to go there, but we decided to go on this one because it's closer to us. And we found out that we're on the wrong one. So we're here at the car parking. Look at Thea. She's a funny girl. Quick. I'm hungry. Good girl.
I was scared jumping.
Huh?
I was scared jumping.
Scared.
Always said.
Oh, no, 20 minutes.
Was gut. Get. Say no.
No.
That doesn't say.
G.
GG.
GG. Ito nga pala ang first time namin kumain sa Eat All You Can. We never been to Eat All You Can restaurant before. Mahirap kasi kumain sa ganitong restaurant pag yung mga kasama mo mga pihikan. And kung magugustuhan din namin, lalo na itong mga kasama ko. Alam nyo naman pag kumain ka sa Eat All You Can, dapat masulit mo naman yung binayad mo. Ang bayad nga pala namin dito per person is 1.6 sa pesos. Pag bata naman, pag Tuesday and Monday, free sila, wala silang bayad. Kaya tinaon din namin ng Tuesday para hindi naman ako lugi. Because I know how much Zach and Thea eat. As I said earlier, Mother's Day treat nga pala sa akin to. Pero ako pala yung magbabayad. Hang on, maybe I need to transfer money there.
Loki, you wake. Wakey.
So before they let you in, you have to pay first. Sigurista sila. Once you're paid, you have to wait for the waitress to show you where is your table. The place is pretty big. They have lots of tables. Meron din silang playground for the kids. So while the parents are eating, the kids can play to the play area. Alright, let's get this one. Let's get the food now.
Do you want a soft drink or orange juice?
Daddy, can I go to the playground?
Later, we're gonna eat first.
You're going to eat with us, so it's not too bad.
Great, let's go. We're gonna get the food. Let's get the food. Once we got our table, kumuha agad kami ng pagkain. Tingnan nyo naman guys, konti lang yung pagkain na kinuha ko. Diba? Yung plato ni Thea, nuggets lang ang laman. Lucky. When we go there, the kids are free, so we didn't pay for their food. Kumuha lang ako ng 2 hipon, some curry, some rice, some vegetables. Pero syempre, first round ko pa lang yan. Si Zach, as you can see, only nuggets and chips lang din yung laman ng plato niya. Just like Thea.
A cake and some grapes.
Later, you have to wait.
No, there's some here.
No.
Can I get it?
Let's get a plate.
You're going to get dessert already?
And ayan, kumuha na kagad si Thea ng dessert niya. Talagang nag-nuggets at chips lang siya sa main meal. Si Zach, ayun, meron na din siyang chocolate cake. Si Kurt naman, pumunta siya sa kitchen to get his second round. Here's my second round of food. Kumuha ulit ako ng curry. Fried rice naman yung rice ko. And 1 piece of calamari, some pasta, and spring roll. Wala nga pala akong video ng food kasi nakapabaliktad. Yung camera ko, hindi ko napansin na nakapabaliktad pala siya. So, hindi ko na siya sinamang i-edit. They actually have a lot of choices of food, pero syempre konti-konti lang talaga yung kuha. Para matikman mo naman yung iba. At para makapag-dessert ka pa din.
This is like caldereta. It tastes this tastes like with a rum.
So, here, ready na sa dessert.
Yeah.
And finally, okay na yung video ko dito. Magkasama kami ni Nathan kumuha ng dessert. Si Zach at si Thea kasi tapos na kanina pa. And si Kurt, hindi naman siya kumakain ng mga sweets. Ewan ko ba dun sa bata na yun. Kahit chocolate, hindi siya mahilig. Pag binigyan namin siya ng chocolate sa bahay, si Zach at si Thea ang umuubos. Tinikman ko nga pala yung 6 different desserts nila. 2 lang yung nagustuhan ko. Ayoko rin kasi ng super tamis. Pag super tamis, hindi ko siya kinakain. Mas gusto ko siyang itapon kaysa kainin. Kahit pag nasa bahay, mas gusto ko siyang itapon kaysa naman magkasakit ako, diba? Hindi naman sa pagsasayang ng pagkain, but we need to look after ourselves. Lalo na tumatanda na tayo. Ang daming sakit na pwedeng dumapo. And my kids are still small. Wala naman silang pakialam kahit may leftover ka. Saka yung mga kinuha kong pagkain kanina, I try to eat it all. Ito lang talagang sweets ang hindi ko kaya ubusin.
Sticky date.
Sticky date. Oh, I haven't tried sticky date actually.
Oh, there you go.
Sticky date. Cream. I like the drinks. Oh my god. A lot.
I'll just drink water.
Let me try mo to.
I know exactly what.
You need to try things, kid.
He eats more than what I eat, let me tell you that.
Cool.
Yeah. Tries things more than I do.
Ah. I'm so full.
This is where you want to go if you want to be obese then.
Huh? Do you want to be at peace?
I said obese. If you want to
Obese?
get, if you want to be obese, this is where you come all the time.
Like fat.
Yeah. Trying to let the food go.
Go down. The food goes down, and then they get more food. Don't eat that. You still hungry? We're going home now.
We're going home now. I thought that
Oh,
was
I'm so
Mom's
full.
song.